welcome to my channel. DIY and
All right, this video I'm gonna show you how to install that LED right there. You see the little LED right there? That right there. All right, I'm gonna show you how to install that right there. So I know you might be thinking like, wow, do I have to remove the whole bumper for that? No, I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you remove those that tray right there, the under tray. It's just hold by some clips and a couple little 7mm, and of course you remove the 10mm to hold it together with this one. All right, so as you can see, that one's done. So let me set this camera over here somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. All right, so bear with me. Okay, so this is a Star 10. A little bit. It's a Star 10. I don't know if you can see that. All right. So under the fog light, there's a little hole here right under the bumper. You can see right here, right under the bumper, there's a hole, right? So you're gonna stick your T. This is a Star 10. T Star 10. Okay. And now we're gonna tie it up all the way up into the screw snap out of the hole. Right there. Once it snap out of the hole, then we get this plier and we're gonna wiggle it right here on the side. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Just gonna put a little bit of pressure to the side like that, and you're gonna kind of twist the whole fog light out. So here we go, like that, and the whole fog light comes out. Then you take your let me show you, clean it a little bit, and you take your LED. Give me 1 second. Let me peel the 3M tape off. All right. Now remember, your fog light goes like that. So you wanna make sure you keep this wire on the top, and you're gonna stick this right in the center, just like that. Okay. Now we gotta hook it here first. Hook this side first, and then we're gonna snap the other side in. So here we go. And it's good to go on the front. Hold on, let me bring this cable to the top. It's good to go on the front and make sure this is lining up. If it's not lining up the way you want it, make sure you try to adjust it before you snap it in. So here I'm gonna stick it in there. Okay, now I come to the front. Then I'm gonna try to center the ball over here, sort of in the center. Okay, now I'm gonna push this back. So right there is halfway. I'm gonna come back to the front and try to center the LED just by moving it with your finger. Okay, So now I'm gonna snap it in all the way. You gotta push it in. Okay, let me line them up over here. Over here we're looking good. So you gotta put a little bit of pressure, holding the bumper on the front and pushing the fog light, you know, out. Let me go check again. Make sure everything looking good. All right, so now we're gonna push. Hold on, I think the bottom screw right here is holding me. So I'm gonna flip the light up a little bit and then push in. It's a tight fit. Tight fit. You need to be able to hear that thing snap. So I want to see if I can push the screw a little bit higher. Okay. There. Okay, right there. You heard it clip in right there. All right, I'll come back to the front, everything looking good. Now, I need to push the fog light back in here. So I'm gonna get my drill and unscrew the leveling thing. It's gonna snap in. Keep pulling it like that and it's gonna snap in. If it doesn't snap in, then you push it down. Let me keep going. There. Is it snapping? No, not yet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put pressure on the top. Pushing this down like this. There you go. So you gotta kind of squish it. Squish it like that and bring this down. So now it's in. Now all I gotta do, come to the front. Come to the front right here. Come to the front right here. Now you're gonna level the light until this is right in the center. Okay. So there you can see I can move the light wherever I need it. So that should be in the center right there. Yeah, that looked good. Say right in the center. This one's right in the center. So now all I gotta do is connect everything back on and test it. All right, so let me do that.
Nah, yeah, the fogs did.
Yeah, the fog lights definitely had to.
Yeah.
Like
Bro, I'm about to catch a wire, bro.
that.